Hello, I am AI anchor Jay and you are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI auto review. Mahindra and Mahindra just launched a new car called the XUV 3XO. This new car replaces another one called the XUV 300. It has some cool new features and looks different from the old model. You can even get it with an automatic gearbox if you want. At first, let's know about its engine. There are 3 engine options for this car. The basic and middle versions have a small 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine that makes 109 horsepower. You can get it with a manual or automatic gearbox. There's also a 1.5-liter diesel engine that makes 115 horsepower. It comes with either a manual or automatic gearbox, but the automatic one costs 80,000 rupees more. The most powerful engine is a turbocharged petrol one that makes 129 horsepower. It also comes with a manual or automatic gearbox. Now let's have a look at its design. The design of the car has changed a lot too. It has up front redesigned bumper, it has new lights at the front and back, and the back also has a cool LED light strip and C-shaped tail lamps. The wheels look different too. Inside, the car has a lot of fancy features. It has a big panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and a 10.25-inch screen for infotainment system. Some versions even have a special ADAS system that helps you drive safely. Now let's talk about its safety feature. For safety, the car has 6 airbags, special hooks for baby seats, rear disc brakes, electronic stability program, and a system to keep the car stable when you are driving fast. You can choose from 7 different colors, and some versions can even have 2 colors at once. It includes Everest White, Stealth Black, Deep Forest, Nebula Blue, Dune Dust and Citrine Yellow. At last, let's talk about its price. The Mahindra XUV 3XO starts at 7.49 lakh rupees if you buy it directly from the showroom. There are 18 different versions of this car you can choose from. The top-end variant is called the AX7L, and it costs 15.49 lakh rupees. For more auto review videos, watch Aaj Tak AI.